Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching my videos. Welcome to the 2031st edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Traders, we're getting towards the end of the year. This is December. This video is being filmed on a Monday evening, but it's for trading Tuesday, December 3rd, 2019. Now, we are coming towards the end of the year. I can't remember more than 2 or 3, 4 maximum years in my entire 38-year career that we didn't have some kind of a Santa Claus rally in the markets in December. Most of my memories of December are of markets rallying. And I think the same exact thing will happen with our stock market as we get closer to the end of December. Before I get into the topics on the board, which are for trading on Tuesday, December 3rd, please know that trading is very risky. Options, futures, stocks, you name it. Trading is risky in general. It is certainly not suitable for all traders. It's not suitable for all accounts. If you don't know the rules, if you do not place stops first, if you do not have risk capital to play with, please do not trade. But if you fit in the category of somebody who places stops, has money to trade, and wants to learn how to get this right, tune in, kids, and let's get started. What is on this board? So, there is a red OMNI on the board for trading E-mini S&P, NASDAQ, and gold. Red OMNI, you know me, I never interfere with my OMNI. When it says red, we say, where do you want us to get short? When it says green, we ask, how high do you want us to jump? You know what I mean? So we never interfere with the OMNI arrow. But sometimes the best trade is no trade at all. The OMNI arrow is red. It wants us to be short E-mini S&P, NASDAQ, and gold. But I've got a question on the board, and I'll show you in charts momentarily why I've got the question on the board. Are the indices like NASDAQ, E-mini S&P, and the Dow Jones average, are they testing support right now? I think they are. I don't want to take a short right here. I'm not saying the OMNI's wrong. I'm saying sometimes the best trade is no trade at all when the OMNI says sell and we're testing a strong support area. So instead of going anywhere near these two tomorrow, however, I will issue the OMNI trade when it comes out with a warning. I'm not taking the trade myself for, no other reason than I'll show you on charts because we are testing support in our indices. OMNI's red. Normally I would blindly take it, but I have an opportunity. I've got an alternative. Gold. Gold is in its second bear flag in a row, and I'd rather just go with the gold in a bear flag with the red OMNI, which a bear flag is bearish, means the market should go down, instead of wondering if the red OMNI in indices is going to fight with the support. Why even go there, right? So for me, I'm going to go with the gold. I'll show you cats at livewithoscar.com where the OMNI wants to trade the E-mini S&P and NASDAQ. My son has a trade to go short. The OMNI has a trade to go short. I don't want to go short. So I'll show you the trades at my site, or I'm not taking that one. And I'll show you the gold. We're not just jumping into gold blindly. We're going to wait for some kind of a rally. If it hits an OMNI level, we're going to go short. Traders, if you like these videos, if you are finding education in these videos, if I am helping you in some way to understand markets better, please subscribe to my videos, like them, share them on the internet. In fact, if you don't mind, subscribe right now. I'll waste a couple of seconds here doing nothing, and I'll let you subscribe. This way you will be notified when the next video comes out. These videos are geared for trading very, very quickly after I put them out, either right after they get put out or within the next 24 hours. So you do want to be notified. Subscribe. I think you have by now. Let's move on. All right, so are the indices testing support? You're going to find out momentarily. We're going to look at charts. Is the gold flagging? It sure is flagging a red signal for now, a little more sure red signal than the S&P signal. Traders, I'm going to show you charts. Omni campers, I'm going to show you the Omni coming at the end of this week. I'm very excited to see my Omni campers. I've had a lot of days off the last 4 or 5 days. I got so much energy. So let's get out to town. Come out to Vegas, kids. I can't wait to see you guys on Friday. The rest of you, tune in, get ready, let's go. Look at some charts. Traders, E-mini S&P. Last few months, October, November, December, it's been on quite the tear. Then we had the Thanksgiving holiday, and you know what? Flat tops usually create market drops, and we had a market drop. And the Omni is red for trading on Tuesday. This is Monday's bar right here. But I say, look at the support line right here. If you count all the times you got close to this line and it went back up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 11. 11 times you've come near this line, and each time you've rallied. When you've hit the line, you've absolutely rallied. So, we're just about at the line if we haven't hit it already, and I say let's test the support first. I don't want to just go short here. If we break the support, sure, we'll jump all over a bearish Omni signal for trading on Wednesday. For Tuesday, I'm going to see what happens. The bar's going to open Tuesday. It's either going to go through here and settle lower, or it's going to hold and end up here, in which case support will have held. That's your E-mini S&P. NASDAQ, exactly the same. Comes down to a major support area, and you know, all these times it didn't even get to it. Look at the support that was held there. So, support all over the place. When it hits the line, it rallies. Hits the line, it rallies. We just hit the line. I do not want to be short unless we penetrate that line right there and break the support. And then you look at the Dow, the whole market itself. It's in a very nice channel, and it's ricocheting from the bottom of the channel to the top of the channel, to the bottom of the channel, to the top of the channel, to the bottom of the channel. Can you tell me, what do you think comes next? What do you think comes next?
Top of the channel.
To the top of the channel. This guy's paying attention back there. Round of applause for you. Yeah, I mean, come on. Now, of course, it could easily break, right? It could break right through and smash through, but for now, the pattern is this. So why not call for that until this happens? So I'm not going to take the short right away. We'll let the Omni bake in the indices, and we'll look towards the gold, because that looks a little more like something I can sink my teeth into. Why? We've got a red Omni. We're in a bear flag. If you recall, I've been showing you this gold chart in video after video. I don't think I've missed a video in 10 days without putting this gold in there. And you've got a bear flag, which we called for, and it worked. You drop down, and another bear flag has formed, and why not drop down until we get down to this blue line? So I think gold technically just shows a little bit better picture than the indices do, where a red Omni is fighting with support, as we just seen. Here, not the case. Support's a bit lower. The Omni's red. We're in a bear flag, which usually creates lower. So I'm going with possibly selling the gold. You guys do whatever you please with those indices. I'll see you all at livewithoscar.com. Make sure you see me in the live chat room. So traders, you've seen the charts. You've got my technical reasoning why the red Omni in E-mini, S&P, and NASDAQ needs to just be on hold for a little while. Let's see how that support test comes out. If it fails the test, we go through the support. If it holds and it passed the test, we rally up. Month of December, strong economy. Not much has changed since the great economy you've seen before the Thanksgiving holiday. So I'll pull back the day after a 3-day holiday weekend. I don't think there's anything to worry about there. We'll take this one day at a time. So I will go, as I mentioned, with the red Omni in gold because of the flags. And reasoning is simple. Sometimes the best trade is no trade at all. Traders, thank you for tuning in. I hope this helps. I will see you at livewithoscar.com. I've got Christmas decorations to go finish. I'm out of here. Remember, Keep your emotions at bay. Keep your emotions out of this game. One of the best things you can do to try to keep those emotions in check, and I know that's not easy, but try this. Say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Thanks for tuning in live with Oscar.com. I'll see you there. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.